Alright guys, second time in a week that we are riding Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind.
Yep.
Boy oh boy, what a mess. I don't know if we should tell them.
I don't know. Maybe we should tell them. Maybe we'll tell you guys at Epcot after we ride Cosmic Rewind.
Hi guys, so as you know, we did get our Guardians virtual queue,
Yep.
but we got that so early we thought we could go ahead and park hop, take the monorail over to Magic Kingdom, do a couple of rides and come back. What a mistake. Literally as we got there, we walked through Magic Kingdom and then we get our alert that basically, hey, it's in 40 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 20 minutes, now!
Yeah, well, it started at 80 minutes when we got in Magic Kingdom. Then it went to 30 minutes, then 25, back to 30, then we got called. So if you're here on your vacation, do not make that mistake.
Don't do it.
Just hang in Epcot or go back to your resort, relax. We went off property, had some lunch, came back, thought we could hit Magic Kingdom like Brittany said. We could not. So we're back here at Epcot, and then after we ride Cosmic Rewind, then we will go back to the Magic Kingdom and hit up some rides. I also want to note, I will not record Cosmic Rewind today because we already did that in our last video, and I'll put the description in the link, I'll put the link in the description down below. Let me get this right.
You guys watch YouTube all the time.
You guys watch it. Yeah, you know the deal, So it'll be down there and you can watch it from last time. We're just going to take it in and enjoy it this time, but we will be heading to Magic Kingdom and I will be recording the rides there. So thanks for watching, guys.
Yeah.
Join us along the way.
Woo!
About to board the ride.
Yeah. Our chariot awaits.
What have we done? I think we're jumping back.
Are we at the Magic Kingdom?
It's dark.
Yeah, it's dark out now. What, did we time travel?
It looks like it. Want to get on some rides?
Let's get on some rides.
Wow, guys. Make sure you're ready to time travel when you get on Guardians of the Galaxy.
Yeah, we somehow ended up in the Magic Kingdom.
Yeah. Pretty awesome.
Yes.
Might be my favorite way to travel.
Yeah, I think we'll have to do this more often.
Right? So many people are lining up for the fireworks. Haven't seen the fireworks itself, like the entirety of the show, in a while.
No, we haven't. All right, guys, so the fireworks just started. Mine Train is down, so we're gonna try for Big Thunder, and hopefully we'll get the ride Mine Train. Who knows? Stay with us, guys. All right, guys, we made it on Big Thunder.
Because this here's the wildest ride in the wilderness.
Here we go.
Uno, dos, tres, cuatro.
20-minute wait, so we're getting on that next.
I'll do it for you. Oh my god! This little girl freaked out. We are going to head on to Pirates of the Caribbean.
Yep, it's been a while since we've been on this ride.
Gotta visit old Captain Jack.
Yes, we do.
Sparrow.
Sparrow, speak up! Or do you fancy a swim with Davy Jones?
Jack Sparrow!
Yeah, Jack Sparrow! he was like
Quit your clucking! The gentleman wants the rum! Don't ya, boy?
To see the look on Captain Jack Sparrow's face when he hears
Jack Sparrow. Yo ho, a pirate's life for me. Da, 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 da. Yo ho, a pirate's life for me. Oh, yo ho, a pirate's life for me. Yo ho, a pirate's life for me. Yeah.
Is it picky hour?
Right? Is it picky hour?
Fortune and Souls. Yeah, this guy's face is kind of bloated.
This is Brittany's favorite scene. Don't we all? Captain Jack living the life.
What a view.
Best view in the world.
Offer something new, guys. We've never been on that teacup party. Oh my God, I'm getting so dizzy. Now this is the ride that makes you motion sick. Oh, we're all a little mad here. So guys, as you know, it's a favorite. We're just gonna go ahead and hit Seven Dwarfs Mine Train.
Yep, it's back up and running. Here we go. Yes, it is. Very smooth. This is how you end the night. With a shovel or a pick, in a mine, in a mine, in a mine, in a mine, a million diamonds shine. Hi ho, ho, it's off to work we go. Hi-ho, 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 hi-ho. It's off to work we go. Hi-ho, hi-ho, it's off to work we go. Yep, we had such a magical night. We did 6 rides in 2 hours, and we also did Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind earlier today. So, all in all, we did 7 rides today. It's been such a magical day.
And it's been a great day back at the
Yes,
Magic
it has
Kingdom.
been.
Honestly, guys, this is really the only way I like to come to Magic Kingdom.
Yeah, this is the new way to come to Magic Kingdom. You can get so much done. You come, in the afternoon, and you could get on like 2 rides before you just like completely had it some days. You know what I mean?
It's really not worth it. If you can come at night, I definitely recommend it.
Yeah, you could get so much done, as you guys seen. 6 rides in 2 hours.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching, guys. We always appreciate your support, and please subscribe to this video, to this channel. If you like this video.
And that's all for now, guys. So once again, we'll see you
real soon. Bye.